if you have a Shark vacuum cleaner and you've emptied the get this one. You've emptied the container and it's not sucking very well, try cleaning this filter. As you can see, that could be your problem. Doesn't take a lot for these to get blocked up with dust and debris and whatnot. As you can see, it's looking a bit grim in there as well. But yeah, normally you can take this filter off, just sort of slides off, and you can sort of wash it in warm soapy water, let it dry, and then put it back in, and hopefully that will improve the suction, as long as you've got no other blockages, you know, obviously in the steel tube or the plastic hose or anything going on in the roller. Give that a try. It'll could solve your problem. Bit of a different video. Very good vacuum cleaner. Actually, it's quite quiet as well. Had this for, oh blimey, probably must be at least 2 years, could even be longer than that. So that's the Shark upright vacuum cleaner.